3. Okay, hey, you guys see this right here? How the function is inside the function? That can be written a different way. It could be written like this, like a fog of x. These are the same thing. Okay, so if it's ever written like this, what I do is I just kind of add the extra parentheses in it, like right here, and I go, okay, so the G is inside the F, so it's written like this. This is the way I like to see it, but, you know, get used to seeing that too, just in case. So this says, what is the G function inside the F function? So first we got to take this F function, as G function, and we got to put them inside of each other. So which one's the inside function? X to the 4th. So we're going to write that inside. So we have tangent with x to the 4th inside of it. This is F with G inside of it. Okay, so we got that one's done. Cool. Let's find F prime. So let's do F prime. Now this you're gonna have to it actually says F of U, so let's put a U right here. Not that it really matters. Get used to knowing what the derivative of tangent is by looking at your formulas. We'll prove these later, okay? It's secant squared U. Okay, so the derivative of just the F is secant squared U. Now this says, what is the derivative of F with G inside of it? Okay, so we're going to take the derivative of F and we're going to plug the G function inside of it. So you see, this says right here that whatever's inside, whatever you plug in right there, is what goes inside right there. So we just have to write out what the F prime is. So it's secant squared, and then we write parentheses there. And what am I plugging inside of it? The G function. Where's my G function? Right here. What is a G function? X to the 4th. So I'm just going to write x to the 4th right there. So now that is F prime with the G function inside of it. What is G prime? So you look at this, look at G, and you take the derivative of that, so it's 4x to the 3rd. And then the last one says, oh look, they used the fog thing, like this right here. So this over here, another way you guys can write this is by saying F of G of x, and then I guess you can go like this and put a prime right there, or you guys can write d over dx in front of it, and that's the same thing. Okay, so now we just have to know what this means. If you guys took the derivative of a function inside of a function, what that means is you're going to take the derivative of the outside function with the inside function inside of it, and then you're going to multiply it by the derivative of the inside function. So that's what we're going to do right here. We're going to just take this 4x to the 3rd and multiply it times this. So I'm going to say this equals 4x to the 3rd secant squared with x to the 4th inside of it. And it's done.